Welcome to Financial Jojo. My name is Josh, and this is the market update. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to get the latest in the market moving news. All right, we have the markets have closed down for the last 4 days. Currently, the futures are up for the Dow, but down for the S&P and the NASDAQ. But I did want to cover the 10-year Treasury yields. All right, so we're looking at the 10-year at 1.842 and the 2-year at 1.597. I'm going to bring this up. So we're going to look at the 10-2-year Treasury yield spread. So this is usually used as a precursor to recessions. So as the two yields get closer to each other, it's a flattening of the yield curve. And every time we see that go into a inverse or negative, usually a recession is soon to come after that. So with the rampant inflation, we also have Russia coming out saying that there's going to be $300 a barrel oil, threatening to cut off the energy for European gas if the West bans energy imports. So we're looking at Biden came out, said the U.S. was going to completely ban Russian oil. So let's pull up this chart. So this chart has the oil price and the percentage of deviation from the trend and U.S. recession. So this is going to be looking at the price of oil, Brent prices greater than 104. So each time we see the oil price above this threshold, we have periods of recession in the economy. And once again, we're over that threshold currently. And like I said, with the oil prices at currently about 120, we will see a significant impact on the growth of the economy. We have rampant inflation. So the Fed's really going to have to be more aggressive than they can be with the interest rates to try to help combat that. Besides cutting off the oil imports, we're also seeing iconic U.S. brands like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, McDonald's, and Starbucks suspending business in Russia. We saw a report that Apple was going to do that. And the companies that aren't are seeing a lot of criticism as people would see that investing in or funding the Russian war effort against Ukraine. I also wanted to briefly discuss the Alphabet CFO explaining the reasoning behind the $5.4 billion acquisition for Mndt. So Mndt is a cybersecurity company, and I had just seen that Microsoft had pulled out of talks to acquire them the same day. Next day, Alphabet was talking to them. And they had been in talks for some time now, but the two companies wouldn't be a good fit, is what Microsoft had said about Mndt. So Alphabet's main reasoning for acquiring Mndt is helping the company build out its cybersecurity and its cloud to help compete with its competitors such as Amazon and Microsoft. Alphabet wants to remain focused on, of course, being profitable in the long term, but also bringing all the features that their competitors have. So let's take a look at Mndt's current stock price and see what the top analysts have to say about. So, of course, this is we see this 20% pop once the news that Google was going to acquire them, and it's currently trading at $22.04, and they're currently up about 27.55% for the year. So the top analysts have Mndt's stock forecast price at $19.80. So we're actually seeing a potential downside of about 10% on this, just because they've had that good run up this year. So we have 7 analysts with a hold rating. We are seeing some positive news articles coming out this week. And in general, we have lots of positive blogger opinions, news sentiment, and tip rank investors are very positive about that. We were seeing increased hedge fund activity as well as insider activity, buying almost $900,000 worth of shares in the last 3 months. All right, that's what I have for you today. Don't forget to click the Moo link down below. Get up to 5 free stocks with a deposit of at least $100. You will get an additional free share of Lucid. And don't forget my Gemini link as well. When you trade $100, get $10 in free Bitcoin. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful day.